I try to use my common sense. Common sense. That is very important. When you take a look at a lot of things abroad that like a Japanese people can make certain mistake. Even me, I've never experienced that matter, but use your common sense. Then you can avoid to make mistake. But quite a top-ranking people make a mistake. They don't use common sense, but they just are doing or practicing what they believe to do. So go back to the original and use common sense. Then maybe you might do the job rightly, correctly, like a Olympic, like a ex-densu person who have received a lot of money from outside. Then what happened is that person has received a lot of money from outside for the giving some benefit to them. Even me, I'm not familiar with that kind of job. I know that receiving money and giving some benefit to someone else is like a bribery. No good. I knew. Yeah, but that person received a lot of money. Simply, Olympic game is huge event, and there's a lot of money moving around. Then even small money, it's not small, big money, but they think money is small. Then receive or pay. That is not good. Then, if you use your common sense, why you receive money for something, somebody's benefit? No good. So, too long.
まもなく作業開始の時間です。
Soon we restart. I think they should improve the chime. For how long? Just ping. That's it. Then effective. Oh, okay. Then, your question. So, use your common sense and also use your experience. And experience to learn from your past. The common sense also based upon your common sense. Then that could work. In my case, that could work when I was in China. Then our business, total business in China for my project was profitable. First business year. That has never happened in China and never happened abroad, even never happened in Japan. First business year profit never happened. But that happened. So
that comes down to using your experience and having common sense.
Common sense. And one more, very important thing is never give up. Never give up means once you set something as a goal, there should be a several ways to achieve, reach to that goal. But if you set the goal but give it up, then nothing happens. When I set the goal, that is the when I wanted to move the custom clearance, inland custom clearance, from Shanghai to Chengdu. Shanghai to Chengdu about 2 or 3 hours flight. Then when I negotiate with the Shanghai officer for custom clearance, it takes almost 1 day. So if something happened, always I should flew to Shanghai and waiting for the officer long time. So I proposed, please bring the imported parts on the train as bonded situation and go to Chengdu. And Chengdu, not me, but city mayor tried, understood my point. Okay, that is good for this project. If we can transfer from Shanghai customs to the Chengdu custom clearance, it works a lot. It might be beneficial. Then he agreed. Then he tried to negotiate when the Beijing custom officer came to Chengdu. Then city officer or city mayor tried to negotiate. Then successful. That top rank officer of Beijing Customs Office agreed. Okay, let's do that. That was first time in China's history that we shifted the custom clearance from Shanghai. Actually, they have all custom clearance this side. Shanghai, Guangzhou, Dalian, Tianjin, all this side, West Coast. So nothing. Chengdu or anywhere. But that inland custom clearance was the first time. At that time, I set the goal as an inland custom clearance. Then I tried to negotiate with the custom officer in Chengdu. And he said, sorry, I understood your situation, but this is not my responsibility. This is responsibility of the Beijing. No way. So many people said sorry. Then I explained my purpose to city mayor. Then city mayor agreed. Then he, on behalf of me, tried to negotiate with the top Beijing officer. Then he agreed. After that, always we could do custom clearance in Chengdu. Then what happened is there was a story. We are importing some of the components from Japan. And one day I've heard that some taping for the coaster, minibus, our products, is missing. I mean, in production line, it's going to be less. Could be a line stop. And Friday, I heard. Then I went to the custom office in Chengdu. Then request the head of custom office in Chengdu, please understand, we need this tape right away. Otherwise, our line stops. That is not good for the project. Then he understood. Okay, please take them from the bondage yard. The procedure could be later. Great. In China, never happened. Always procedure. Then we could pull out the products, take from the bondage yard in our plant. Then we could continue to produce the coaster. Then custom clearance procedure will be done later. So if in Shanghai never happened, then maybe we might experience long time of the stoppage of the production. But it is Gen 2 custom clearance. They know, the head of Gen 2 officer, I knew, personally knew. So he tried to help me. That is great point. So once you set the goal, never give it up. That kind of activity I have a lot. And some details, please read my small brochure. Oh, yeah, that kind of experience is written on in my book. It's a brochure. It's not a book. Yeah. Then you might learn how never give up spirit is very, very important. So never give up.
Because what could have happened is you were trying to get past the customs guy says, not my job, and then, if we give up, we never get there. But if you don't give up, then you get that, then you wouldn't have been able to pick up the parts without the clearance.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Arigato.
I think you can work in China. Good. Otherwise, you cannot work in China. If you don't have never give up spirit, you cannot work in China. Always they say no, but don't give it up. So never give up spirit is very, very important.
How many plants does Toyota have in China? How many plants does Toyota have in China?
How many? As far as I know, my small joint venture plant is the first one in Gen 2. Then second one was the Tenjin plant. Second, passenger plant. The third plant is was in Ganchao, the third plant. And those are the assembly. Then we set up some engine plant in north. So at least three passenger cars plant. Yeah.
Can I ask you something? What would you tell someone that says, I don't have time to improve, I don't have time to do Kaizen? What would you say?
That is the very typical answer. I don't have any time.
I don't have time.
Why I should do that?
Excuses.
That is a typical answer when my father, he was a great consultant. Everybody knew that he was a great consultant. Still, when he proposed some improvement, oh no, I didn't have any time. Or oh no, that is not Mr. Ono, no. Oh no, no.
Oh no.
Oh no. That is a practice. I knew everything. I was doing for a long time. So those are the typical answer. So that means to improve something. Improve means change for better. So that change, normally people don't like. As I'm doing every day, why do I need to change? So then I think you should be patient. You should be patient and try to explain what kind of benefit you can get from this change for improvement. If you do not persuade them to do something, you cannot change. So be patient and persuade. So for me, maybe they should understand that you are the person to make their work easier, make their work happier.
Yes.
then even small improvement, okay, just do it. Then if they have experience, very good, not good, but very small improvement, then they understand that oh, sorry.
No problem.
that the small thing, small improvement. Start from small improvement. Then, if they workers, senior person, foreman, everybody understood the making improvement. If they understand the pleasure of making improvement, then they might be motivated to do another. If they cannot enjoy any experience of the improvement, then they will not continue. So it is very important to be patient, to make any change, and let them feel. Oh, okay. He came here to make the work easier for me or for operators. He really means it. Then you open their mind. Then if they start to be motivated, then getting work to be done in some other area. So that is not easy. So first you should establish good relationship.
Yes.
I mean, start small improvement. Then, but that is not easy.
No.
Not easy. Oh,
I want to say something. Do you know what a beautiful moment this is with Ritsuo Shingo sitting here with all of you like this? It makes me cry when I see this.
It's the biggest person I've been talking to
Like,
in my
it
life.
is so amazing, this picture. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. I can't even believe what I'm looking at. I'm sitting with the son of Ritsuo Shingo right here talking on the shop floor of the Gemba.
Gemba.
What an amazing
Yes.
experience.
They have a lot of questions.
A lot.
And Ritsuo, okay, let's
Yeah,
get
make
this
it
clear.
clear.
Okay, you ready? Ritsuo, we're going to keep you around for a long time, right? You're going to live a long time. And what are you going to do if you're going to live a long time?
Never take Coke.
Never have Coca-Cola again. This is my prescription. We need you, and we love you, and you must live a long time. Okay?
Yeah. So
Ritsuo-
I have never taken any
Coke,
Coke.
since I wrote it on a piece of paper,
He
prescription.
gave me a
No
small
Coke,
prescription.
fruits and vegetables 3 times a day. Okay?
Yeah.
And just so you know, you look better today than last
Okay.
time. Do you feel
Okay.
any better? Do you feel any better?
Feel better. Yes.
You look better.
Okay,
I
good.
mean that. You look better. Okay?
How old
You
are
need to
you?
stay alive for us.
How old are you?
Huh?
How old are you?
74 years.
You're good. You're well.
I hope so. I hope so.
We don't know if we get there. I don't know.
You're certain you're there.
So maybe today could be my last day to meet with you. Tomorrow I'll go to heaven, maybe, because my lifetime declaration by doctor was the last June, already passed. So I'm talking from heaven. So it
Never
is
give
my
up, right?
it is my pleasure. It is my pleasure to be here to talk to you.
Right.
It's our
Yeah,
pleasure.
Maybe you don't think the tomorrow maybe will be a last day or today will be the last day. Never. Naturally, tomorrow will come for you, but for me, no. Tomorrow, maybe I will not be here.
So it's good that you are still teaching us a lot.
So that's why I like to speak to you as much as possible, so that someone might feel motivated to do the similar thing, not the same thing, don't make copy. I'm telling everybody, create your own way. You learn black belt, fine. You learn Shingo Institute, Shingo method, fine. You learn like a Harada method, that's fine. Any kind of method, fine. Then what you should do is create your own way, because the circumstances is different, because workers are different, many things are different. It's not the same as I experienced. You're not working with the Chinese people, no. You are working with the Argentina people. You're working with the German people. You're working with what? Where?
New Zealand. New Zealand.
New Zealand. Okay.
Right.
So everybody looks like everybody is working with the different people. So simply, it is very difficult to apply and copy what you have learned to your situation, because people are different. If in Vietnam, different people. But please think of the basic thinking. Then application is yours. Please think your own way. Like today, some of you, I proposed what you're doing is practicing. Of course, one thing is the practice make it perfect, fine. But much better idea is what the hesitation? How you cannot, why you cannot do it within the time? Or hesitation. Why? Because you don't foresee which way, how many turn. That's why. Then why you don't write? Then you are confident to do that. Then the another thing is like from here to here. I always tell the people, layout, decide the improvement, the efficiency. Why you are using the fixed layout from this side to this side, and how you quickly can do that job? No, think. I propose to shift from this side to this side. If Tadamoda, normally we put the parts in front of you, just take it. Not for this, then another movement. This one, no way. So that's what I propose. So if possible, actual improvement, you will shift the parts box in front of you. Then using two hands, yes, two hands. Then quickly. And one another is the pin. Pin is just round and straight. That's why you find hesitation.
Yes, struggle.
So try to sharpen. Then, if sharpen could be a guidance to fit this kind of hole. So, if diameter is almost same, very naturally it's very difficult to fix it. So, sharpen. Then you can quickly fix it. So, sorry.
Quickly align.
Yeah. So I think you think. That is the why Paul-san is asking you to do this one. He's not intending you to do what is told. You start from this side. Why you start from this side? Maybe you can put it there. You can change the layout by yourself. Parts layout.
Ritsuo-san, you know that I want them to first learn the standard work and then change it.
Please listen to him.
You're absolutely right. Everything needs to be changed and improved. But first learn standard work, just like over there. We don't want to, everyone wants to go in there and say, I want to hold it this way. No. We learn standard work and then improve. Does that make sense? Ritsuo, you agree with that?
Agree.
Yeah.
Okay.
Standard work and then improve. But
So he's a genius.
No,
Great.
I know nothing.
Great.
Nothing.
So he would like to let you think. Think is very important.
How do you say in Japanese think? How do you say think in
Think?
Japanese?
考える。
Hangai. Hangai.
考える。Yeah.
And how do you say common sense?
常識。
Joshki?
常識。
Joshki.
Common sense is 常識。Yeah. Yeah. He's making the layout change.
Change the layout.
Yeah.
Wow. Thank you for sharing your
Yes.
Oh, fine.
Thank you so much.
Fine.
really motivating.
You use your brain. This is my father's message. Don't use your money, but use your brain. This is the picture. I think you have seen the picture of my father fighting his head.
Yes.
Use your brain, not use your money. That is very important. So think.
That's a good
Yeah, design change. I don't know.
we're heading out now.